As a property owner, you are responsible for maintaining building, plumbing, and drainage systems associated with your home. Here are some helpful tips. Clear any leaves and debris out of eaves and gutters to ensure proper drainage of roof water during severe weather events. This is particularly important if you are living in a leafy suburb. Check your deck. Inspect nuts, bolts, screws, and nails for signs of deterioration. Check fixings for rust and structural members for bending, cracks, or fractures. Look at post brackets to see if they are bending or stressed. You should also apply caution when it comes to the weight of the load you place on your deck. For example, a barbecue, fridge, and other furniture. Make sure you have a suitable termite management system. Learn how to check for evidence of termites yourself. If you have a retaining wall, keep the area well drained. Reduce any vegetation next to the walls because this may affect the moisture content of nearby soil. When it comes to your hot water system, make sure you get it serviced by an appropriately licensed plumber and check the owner's manual so you know how often to do so. You should also release the temperature pressure relief valve at regular intervals to maintain proper functioning of the valve and to remove metal ions that may build up in the water close to the valve. Again, check the owner's manual before releasing the valve to ensure you are doing this safely. Check out the QBCC website for more information and follow us on social media.